Hello, Presley here again. What is he doing this time? More math? Yes. Hey, hold. I am here to teach you about angles, triangles, and smash, smash, smash. Okay, so maybe not smash, smash, smash. Let's go for it. We got to find trig, use trig to find angles. We've been doing that for a while, but this time they're all mixed up, all three. Oh my goodness, so how do we decide? Well, here are three possibilities of what you might face. You've got triangles. Now, I'm doing them with the X at the top. See the little X at the top, okay? And what we're doing then is we're trying to figure out which trig to use, sine, cosine, tangent. And so what I'm going to do is help you set up each problem. And I think I'm even going to do it like this. All right, so on the first one, the hypotenuse is across from the right angle, so it's 81. But down here, we have a side that is across from or opposite of the angle. So that means we have to use sine. So we would say sine x equals 52 over 81. Okay, you see how that works? Let's back up. Let me do this. Let me show the actual formula, and then we'll fill it in. That's the formula, opposite over hypotenuse. And so we put in 52 over 81. You've done each of these problems. It's just now you have to make a choice at the beginning of the problem. So if the side is opposite and you have a hypotenuse, then that's sine. Now what about this one in the middle? Well, this one in the middle looks very similar. Look at there. There's the hypotenuse. But we don't have an opposite this time. We've got an adjacent. And so that means we have to use cosine. And the cosine of an angle is adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, so this time, cosine of x, and forgive me, over here this was supposed to be an x. You know me, I make mistakes, but then I try to correct them. All right, there's my cosine. My adjacent this time is 1.6. My hypotenuse is 2.1. So this is just setting them up. You'd have to use inverse cosine and inverse sine to solve these problems. But you can look at the previous video to see that. And finally, this guy. There's no hypotenuse. Okay, so it's neither one of those guys. But I do have an opposite of 7.7 and an adjacent of 5.1. So what would that be? Well, that would be tangent. And the tangent of an angle is the opposite over the adjacent. I had to slow down. So the tangent of x here, and I'm running out of room because of my little picture, is 7.7 over 5.1. Okay, so then you'd have to use inverse tan. So this is the difference. It depends on, do I have a hypotenuse or not? And what about the sides? So always be looking for, and I'm going to use a little green, what am I given? That's where I make my decision. Look at the numbers on the sides. Which two am I given? All right, well, I hope you have a good day. Remember, you can email me or join in the Google Meet, and I'll be glad to help you. See y'all later.